Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? I'm working on heading to work. I think I mentioned in a previous video, my phone mount that goes on the windshield that I usually use to record, it broke, and the new one arrived yesterday, but I got home late, and by the time, I just didn't feel like messing with it to hook it up yet. So I gotta have you in this position right now. So you're riding to work with Kenny. So what I wanted to talk to you about real quick here is customer expectations. Usually, we'll ask a customer, are you planning on waiting for your car? Because if you're planning on waiting for your car, it's going to take X amount of time or whatever. But sometimes customers will just come in and drop their stuff off. And this one particular customer came in, said, hey, I got 4 tires I need mounted on my truck. It was a 2011 or 12 F-150. I got 4 tires that I need mounted and balanced on my truck. I need a wheel alignment. I need an oil change. And he needed something else. I don't remember what it was. It was something minor, like air filter and cabin air filter, something along those lines. So it was minor, whatever it was. Oh, no. He wanted to check the AC. Okay. All right. Yeah, we can take care of it. Are you planning on leaving it, or are you waiting with it? Oh, no. I'm going to leave it. I got to ride. Okay. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. It wasn't even 8:15, and we were already in the shop with the truck. Unloaded the tires, the whole 9 yards. Hey, this thing's got a wheel lock on it. Now, we've never seen this truck before. It's got a wheel lock on it. Okay. So we start looking in all the usual spots. Glove box, door pockets, seat backs, under the seats, stuff like that. We cannot find a wheel lock key. We look everywhere, cannot find a wheel lock key. Call a customer. Customer says, I should be in the truck. Check here, check there. Yeah, we already did. Well, it should be there. All right, so we recheck again. Maybe we missed it. It happens. Check again. Can't find it. Call a customer. You know where your wheel lock key is? Like any other places you might have it. Did you possibly take it out? It's in your garage. I've seen people do that. They'll clean their car out and take stuff out and forget to put it back in. I've seen that happen. No, he has no clue. All right. Well, the only thing I can tell you right now is we can get them off, but we're probably going to destroy them in the process, and we don't have a tool to tighten them back up. So you're just going to put regular lug nuts on. It wasn't anything fancy with wheels. It was just factory aluminum wheels. He's like, all right, yeah. He goes, I never liked those things anyway. Just take them off. Okay. We hang up the phone. I go and I get the tool that I have that will remove the wheel locks. It's one of those, the twist sockets, turbo sockets, the extractor sockets, whatever you want to call it. The one that has like the twist inside that grabs the outer edge of the socket, of the bolt or whatever you're trying to remove. But these are made special for lug nuts. Literally grab that, and the phone rings. Same customer. Says, hey, are you guys done with that yet? It's now 9 o'clock. No, we're not. We haven't even really started on your truck. Yeah, but I dropped it off at 8. Okay. You dropped it off for 4 tires, a wheel alignment, an oil change, an air filter. Or no, AC recharge. Or AC check. Yeah, but I need my truck. Okay, I understand that, but this stuff takes time to do. We thought we had the truck for the day. It's already in the shop. Oh, yep, okay, but I need my truck. I totally understand that. I said, but you didn't give us enough time. There's no way we could have had all of this done. We would have been able to get the oil change done, but that's about it. Oh, well, what am I going to do? I need my truck. Okay, well, I guess you're going to come pick up your truck is the only thing I can tell you, but I need the work done. Okay, well, you got to make a decision. You need the work done. You have to leave the truck. I don't care where you went. If you went to a local tire store to have it done, you're not getting all of this done in an hour. It ain't happening. And he's getting mad at me. Like, I don't understand it. So, and then he starts going on. He's a salesman, and he uses his truck as like basically like his office, which I can understand. I get it. But how you don't have a backup plan set for when something happens, and I see this all the time. Where people will have like their main truck or their main car or even like a personal car. Like, you don't ever plan on like, hey, you may be without your vehicle. Like, I'm going to need to get a rental car. Like, we had a customer with a van, and they had a bunch of vans, but this was like their main van. They were a plumbing company, and this was their main van. So they would use this one like on the bigger jobs and stuff like that. And their van broke down, and the guy was hounding us that he needed his van back. I understand that, but the work we have to do is going to take time. And it's like, yeah, but you don't understand. Now I have to cancel jobs. Have you ever heard of U-Haul? Like, there's a company called U-Haul that rents trucks. Like, if you need to like move stuff because you have some bigger stuff in this particular vehicle, like, rent something. Like, I for the life of me can't understand that. It's like how you don't have a contingency plan, a backup, something. If my car breaks down and it's the only one I got, guess what? I'm gonna go rent a car. I'll figure something out. Do I got to take an Uber maybe? I'll figure something out. I'm not that worried about it, but people, like, they get so bent out of shape. It's unbelievable. It's like their expectations are, on one level, and, reality is on a completely different level. I can't for the life of me figure that one out. I don't know. Just weird. But anyway, so the guy with the F-150, he came and picked it up. We did nothing. We basically wasted an hour trying to find a wheel lock key. What it boiled down to. So myself and Jaden, we just spent our time. And okay, well, he's like, well, I'll have to bring it back. Well, you don't have to. You can go somewhere else. We don't really care. I hate saying stuff like that when I say, I don't really care. And people are like, oh, you don't really care about your customers? No, I really do care about my customers. I don't care about certain customers. It's a big difference there. Certain people, you could just read the writing on the wall. It's like, I don't want you as a customer. And I can tell too from, phone calls, when people call, hey, can you give me a price on something? Sure, I'll give you a price on something. But it's like, I could tell right away, how just people's attitudes and the way they act. You know what? I don't think I want you as a customer, because you're being bossy instantly on the phone. You're not the kind of customer we like to have. And it happens quite a bit. But, it is what it is. A lot of times, anytime, I'll tell you this, anytime I've ever gone against my own judgment, that little gut feeling of, I don't think I want this guy as a customer. Sure enough, I've been right every single time. The customer will be one of those absolute PIAs, and it's not worth it. It's just not worth the aggravation. But, yeah, customer expectations. I don't get it. All right. I'm on that super bumpy road. So anyway, hopefully you guys got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.